So this is the last of the rabbit series. Hopefully you have learned from this. And if you have, please leave me a comment in the messages below. So bind off, I tend to call it cast off, but all the pattern books say bind off. So we'll stick with bind off. Well, what we'll do is we're going to knit our stitch as normal. So, and keep that quite loose, and note that we're doing it on the right side, not the wrong side. So that's your right side, and your cast off will always be on the right side. It just leaves it a really nice even top. So knit your second stitch, and then what I want you to do is just bring that stitch over the top of your other stitch as if the bunny is just jumping the fence. So again, knit that stitch and keep it quite loose, and then bring that stitch over the top.